how to use AI to run marketing automation in Odoo. Before I do that, let's head over here to the marketing automation. So this right here will be run by AI. So let's first head over and click on this new right here. And then let's name this. So for example, let's name this subscription. And then in here, you can put in here the target. So let's put in here the target for the companies. And then you can also add some filters if you want. Now for this, let's click on this add new activity. So let's put in here subscription. And you can also head over and choose it. The activity type will be email or server action. So for this one, let's choose email and the mail template. You can also choose in here some mail templates that you can choose from. You can start in here typing. For example, let's put in here professional. You can also create and edit that if you want to as well. And you can see this is what it looks like. So just head over and then just choose a template. And then from in there, you can see some triggers as well as expiry duration. Now click on the save and close once you're done with that. And as you can see, it's been added. Next thing we need to do is to click on this start right here in order to start our marketing automation. So that's how you use AI to run marketing automation in Odoo. Hope we helped.